Hello my YouTube friends. Today's video will be about my horseradish. A few months ago I did a video and I will leave a link above and below how I did a very tasty and healthy horseradish leaves dip. But today everything will be about the roots. I will try to dig some roots of my horseradish and prepare two tasty sauces. One with tomatoes, another with cranberries. Cutting the leaves first. More digging is needed. Ooh. Huge clumps of roots. Another good root. And this is the last one, the biggest. We are washing them first outside. Such a beautiful root. We washed the roots more at home. Now we will start cutting them and cleaning. I cut off the leaves and now I need to clean it and remove the skin so the white flesh is exposed. Like that. For my first sauce I will use tomatoes, and I will give you proportions later, and a lot of garlic, salt, and a little bit of sugar. For my second sauce I will use cranberries, and I will also give you my proportions later. And when I cut my tomatoes I removed the seeds, so I don't have too much liquid in my sauce. Now horseradish is fully prepared. We will be using this grinder old-fashioned because the blender does not do a proper work. This is what I think. This is how my horseradish tomato sauce turns out. And I just need to put the sauce into smaller containers. Horseradish and cranberry sauce looks beautiful. I already put my horseradish sauces into pretty jars, and I only had this little jar left, so I will put the rest of the horseradish cranberry sauce later. I also wanted to share with you that you can do a wonderful, delicious relish with your horseradish raspberry sauce. You just add a little bit sugar to your liking, sour cream, and grated white onion. And the proportions are up to you. If you like it hotter, then you will add more horseradish and cranberry sauce and less sour cream, and so forth. This relish goes very well with turkey and chicken. Please let me know in your comments if you like this video, and if you do, hit the like button, write comments, and subscribe to my channel.